Breaking. The Last of Us Season 2 just got dramatically shorter, with only 7 episodes compared to Season 1's 9. But here's the wild part. Each episode is going to be quite big, according to creators Craig Mazin and Neil Druckmann. They're basically supersizing these episodes to pack in all the intense story from the video games Part 2. The season picks up right after Joel's massive lie to Ellie about what really went down with the Fireflies. Remember when he went full rampage mode to save her? Yeah, that's coming back to haunt him. You swore, Ellie confronts Joel in the trailer, and you can feel that father-daughter bond cracking under the weight of his deception. And get this, the story is so massive it can't even fit into just 2 seasons. The creators are already hinting at Season 3 and possibly Season 4. Mark your calendars. The Last of Us Season 2 hits HBO on April 13th at 9 p.m. ET, and it's about to change everything we thought we knew about this post-apocalyptic world.